Well, good evening, it's Derek from Lockie's Locksmith Services, wishing everybody all the best for 2024. I hope that everybody has the best year ever. Today we're just going to be having a go at picking a Yale, I think it's a 38mm padlock. It's a YE3B, I think it's called, aluminium lock, long shackle. If you have a look at the Brummie lock pickers channel, he'll actually show you picking one of these with a couple of hair clips or bobby pins, as they are in other parts of the world. For this one, I'm just going to pick it using what I thought was a hog's snout pick, which I very rarely use, and it's not a go-to pick. But apparently this is what's called a Nessie Pro, because it's got 3 umps rather than 2. That's the hog snout. The hog snout has 2 umps. So the idea, I think this was designed by Tipping originally, and it was designed for lock sporting and quick entry, where you can rake and single pick on the same pick. I've not used this in the past, mainly because I find that you need quite a wide entrance for it to fit in, because of the shape of the pick itself. But it does work on a few locks, including this YE3B, the Yale. However, like I said, Brummie will show you how to pick it with just a couple of hair clips. So I'm just using, I prefer a firm tension tool, and I actually prefer top of the keyway. So that's what I'm going for. And what I'm going to do first of all is I'm just going to go in, I'm going to try and do a bit of single pin picking, and then I'm just going to rake it home. If I can, I'm actually, oh, there we go. So that didn't take very much indeed, did it? Okay, so let's put that down. Again, I'm going to do the same with, it's an unbranded 5-pin rim cylinder. Again, on this one, I'm not that good at picking rim cylinders. I think I put it down to mainly to the fact that I don't see that many, and also that I'm used to dealing with Euro cylinders, so I'm used to with the pins at the bottom of the lock and not at the top like this one. But on this, I'm just going to, again, I'm going to go in with the Nessie Pro, try and push a few pins up, and then I'm going to finish off by raking. Hopefully. That went over a little bit. I don't actually think there's much in this one. Like I say, I have difficulty in picking rim cylinders, really. Certainly single pin picking, and obviously I'll always go to try and make a lock open in the field if I can, if it's a faster entry for me, and obviously a faster getting for the customer. But normally with these, with a cylinder like this, there's normally no requirement to pick the lock. Quite a lot of the time we'll slip the lock using mica. It is an unbranded one. I have picked it before, but obviously it's misbehaving itself now. It's not picking very well at all, and the more you don't pick it, the more the pressure is on. Oh, there we go. Finally. Thought I was going to sweat then. Anyhow, that's it for now. Enjoy yourselves, enjoy 2024, all the very best of luck to everyone out there. Let's hope it's a nice peaceful year for everybody. Thank you.